Welcome.
I am Mahi and this is my friend.
Hey, I'm Jyoti.
We hope that you are doing well and good. So, today we are here with an amazing video which is skincare mistakes you should avoid to have a healthy skin.
So stay tuned to find out what these mistakes are. सनस्क्रीन इज द मोस्ट इसेंशियल स्किन केयर स्टेप इन आवर रूटीन. आप बहुत सारे एक्सपेंसिव टोनर, सिरम, लोशंस एंड क्रीम यूज कर रहे हो, बट अगर आप सनस्क्रीन नहीं लगा रहे हो तो सब कुछ वेस्ट है.
Did you know there are two forms of light rays? Ultraviolet A, which is known as UVA, and ultraviolet B, which is known as UVB.
Yes. So UV रेज हमारी स्किन के डीपर लेयर तक जाती है और हमारे स्किन के कोलाजन प्रोडक्शन को बैडली इफेक्ट करती है, जिसकी वजह से प्रीमेच्योर रिंकल्स आने लगते हैं. दैट्स द रीजन आवर स्किन स्टार्ट्स टू सैग.
UVB रेज हमारी एपिडर्मिस लेयर को डैमेज करती है और हमारी स्किन के ब्लड वेसल्स को इफेक्ट करती है, which causes skin redness.
यस. सो यूवीबी रेज हमारी स्किन के पिगमेंट सेल्स मेलानोसाइट्स को अटैक करती है और मेलेनिन प्रोडक्शन को बढ़ा देती है टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर स्किन फ्रॉम सन डैमेज.
बट जब भी मेलानोसाइट्स एक्स्ट्रा मेलेनिन प्रोड्यूस करने लग जाते हैं तो ये हमारी स्किन में एज स्पॉट्स, फ्रेकल्स, मेलास्मा जैसी प्रॉब्लम्स को क्रिएट कर देते हैं और हमारी एग्जिस्टिंग हाइपरपिगमेंटेशन को और वर्स कर देते हैं.
दैट इज व्हाई अ सनस्क्रीन इज अ मस्ट.
हाउ टू चूज अ राइट सनस्क्रीन एंड व्हाट इज SPF?
सो हर सनस्क्रीन पे जो SPF मेंशन होता है वो हमें बताता है कि सनस्क्रीन हमें कितनी देर तक यूवी रेज से प्रोटेक्ट करता है. फॉर इंस्टेंस, अगर आपकी स्किन 20 मिनट में बर्न या रेड होने लगती है व्हेन यू आर आउट एक्सपोज्ड इन द सन, एंड SPF 15 सनस्क्रीन विल टेक 15 times longer before it starts to burn, that is about 5 hours. Now there are mainly two types of sunscreen. First one is physical sunscreen, the second one is chemical sunscreen.
Physical sunscreen mainly contains titanium dioxide and zinc oxide, जो आपकी स्किन पे एक बैरियर बना देता है जो यूवी रेज को स्किन पे पहुंचने से पहले ही रिफ्लेक्ट कर देता है.
Chemical sunscreen mainly contains oxybenzone, octinoxate, octisalate and avobenzone. ये chemical UV rays को heat में convert करते हैं, which is then released from the skin and gets scattered. So make sure you apply sunscreen whenever you leave in house and also reapply after 2-3 hours.
But Jay, didn't you mention earlier that an SPF 15 sunscreen takes 15 times longer before it starts to burn off? That's like 5 hours. Then why are you saying that we need to reapply the sunscreen after every 2-3 hours?
Yes, I did mention that earlier, but reapplying is very important because it gradually starts to wear off after 2-3 hours. So for our own skin protection, it is important that we reapply it.
Alright. So here is our favorite recommendations for sunscreen.
For oily skin, Neutrogena Clear Face Sunscreen Lotion SPF 55. If you have oily, acne-prone skin, this SPF is lightweight, oil-free, non-comedogenic, and non-greasy. So you don't have to worry about clogged pores or excess shine. Second, Suncross Matte Finish Soft SPF 50 Plus PA Triple Plus Sunscreen. It has a velvety texture that spreads and sinks easily without many efforts. Also leaves the skin oil-free for longer period, doesn't cause breakouts to acne-prone sensitive skin, and it's non-comedogenic.
For dry skin, Aveeno Protect Plus Hydrate Face Sunscreen SPF 50. Best value for dry skin is oil-free, hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic. It contains oatmeal extracts. This SPF feels extra nourishing on dry sensitive skin and it quickly absorbs while soothing and protecting. The second SPF is Kaya Daily Moisturizing Sunscreen SPF 30. It's non-sticky, gets quickly absorbed, best suitable for dry and normal skin.
We all love to indulge our faces into creamy and bubbly foam and keep rubbing our face for minutes.
But this is something you should avoid because over-cleansing your face will strip away all the natural oil, leaving your skin stretchy, flaky, irritated, and it also causes early fine lines.
Yeah. Ever wonder why your cheek area is getting irritated and feels dry? It can be due to using a wrong cleanser for your skin type and overwashing with it.
Exactly. जब आप ओवर क्लेंजिंग से फेस का नेचुरल निकाल देते हैं तब हमारी स्किन और ज़्यादा ऑयल या सीबम प्रोड्यूस करती है, जिसकी वजह से ज़्यादा ऑयली स्किन, क्लॉग्ड पोर्स एंड ऑफ कोर्स ब्रेकआउट्स हो जाते हैं.
So when you're not over cleansing, also make sure that you're not rinsing it off too quickly because cleanser में जो ingredients होते हैं उनको अपना टाइम चाहिए होता है हमारी स्किन में काम करने के लिए. So give it at least 50 to 60 seconds with gentle massage and circular motion.
और अगर आपकी naturally dry skin है, it is better that you avoid the products जिनमें alcohol content है because it will completely strip your face moistures and oil. So some good recommendations for the cleansers.
For oily skin type, try to find face wash with salicylic acid or tea tree. These two helps with the excess oil production and keeps the breakouts in check. First, salicylic foaming face wash with 1% salicylic acid. Second, the Body Shop tea tree face wash.
For dry skin types, find a cleanser which is moisturizing and less stripping. Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser and Lakme Blush and Glow Strawberry Cream Face Wash.
Who doesn't love makeup? We do. So because it gives you instant flawless look, hides your blemishes and imperfections on our skin, but using wrong makeup products and not removing makeup properly can cause lots of skin trouble to your skin.
Just like your skincare products, choose your makeup very carefully and always check for ingredient list. Try to find out products which are non-comedogenic and doesn't feel very heavy on your skin.
So here are some amazing makeup product recommendation for you guys. Concealer for oily skin. Tarte Double Duty Shape Tape Concealer gives full coverage. It's non-comedogenic, highly pigmented, lightweight and breathable formula. Second, Maybelline Fit Me Concealer gives you a medium coverage. It conceals redness, dark under eyes and acne scars with a natural looking finish. Also, it's lightweight, oil-free, wax-free and it's fragrance-free.
Concealer for dry skins. NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer gives you medium coverage, creamy long wearing and soft finish. Estee Lauder Double Wear Instant Fix Concealer. Dual ended, consistent finish and gives you medium to full coverage.
Foundation for oily skin. Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Liquid Foundation. It's non-comedogenic, minimizes your pores, lightweight, gives you natural matte finish. Also, it's available in 18 shades.
Foundation for dry skin. Clinique Super Balance Silk Makeup Broad Spectrum SPF 50. Blends well, gives you medium coverage, also contains SPF 15, suitable for sensitive to dry skin, for acne prone skin, and it is non-comedogenic and fragrance free. You can also use BB and CC cream instead of foundation. ये आपको full coverage देता है और lightweight होती है. Recommendation for CC and BB cream. CC cream Lakme 925 Complexion Care Face CC cream SPF 30 PA++. It's for all skin types, smooth coverage, even skin tone and UV protection. BB cream Kiko Milano Daily Protection BB cream. It is a non-comedogenic and is available in 7 shades.
अगर आप अपना मेकअप प्रॉपर्ली रिमूव नहीं करते हैं तो आपकी स्किन डल दिखने लग जाती है और एक्ने हो जाते हैं. सो मेक श्योर यू रिमूव योर मेकअप बिफोर यू गो टू बेड. यू कैन यूज अ micellar water or cleansing oil.
Not following your skincare routine regularly. Having a cheat day with your skincare routine.
It is fine for one day, but if you're skipping skincare for several days, it will affect your skin badly.
Because every skincare product needs time and regularity to work on your skin and show it's magic. But अगर आप बार बार स्विच कर रहे हैं या स्किप कर रहे हैं प्रोडक्ट्स को, it will not work.
So हमेशा अपना स्किन केयर रूटीन फॉलो करें. दैट इज क्लेंजिंग, टोनिंग, मॉइस्चराइजिंग एंड सनस्क्रीन. ऑल्सो अगर आप बार बार स्विच कर रहे हैं प्रोडक्ट्स को तो आप पता नहीं लगा पाएंगे कौन सा प्रोडक्ट आपके लिए वर्क कर रहा है और कौन सा नहीं कर रहा है.
Putting your mind and body in overstress?
No matter how many skincare products you are using, but if you're putting yourself through extreme amount of stress, it will gonna show up on your face.
जब हम ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस लेते हैं तब हमारी बॉडी में cortisol का लेवल बढ़ जाता है, which is very bad for our skin and overall health. So find ways to relax yourself. Do some meditation, do light exercise.
Go for a run, follow your hobbies, read book and write a journal.
Also try to detoxify your body, drink green tea or lemon water.
So pamper yourself as much as you can internally by de-stressing yourself and externally by taking good care of your skin.
Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below.
And don't forget to hit the bell button so every time we bring our new exciting videos, you guys don't miss it out. Till then, stay pretty!